again, maybe for the last time, online. Welcome to the Room 9 News for Rāmere, the 15th of May. First up, BFG News. Woo! There's another instalment. It's uploaded, it's ready to go. Ka pai. Okay, today is Rāmere Friday, and my favourite rā o te wiki because it is Sausage Sizzle Day. I went to the supermarket yesterday, got some sausages, saw Zach's mum, saw Catherine's dad, had a bit of a natter. So looking forward to Monday and seeing your guys' faces. Excellent, let's go over to Kupu o te wiki, and this week's word is hui, meaning together, to have a meeting, as in e haere ana tātou ki te hui kura. We are going to the school meeting. We had plenty of meetings yesterday, we've got another couple today at school, here. And making sure everything's going to be great for Monday. Alright, let's check out what people got up to yesterday. Here we've got Ashley with her bubble buddy, and they're having a tent party and getting on with their time capsule activities. Ka pai, Ashley, thank you for the photos. Okay, it's shut the box time, and possibly for the very last time online is shut the box time. So bear with me just one more time while I fiddle around with my camera and get things ready and push the button and say, here we go. Alright. I think I did alright yesterday. Not too bad. Let's see how we go. Okay, 6 and 2 is 8. Oh, 4 and 3 is 7. I do like getting rid of those high numbers first. 6 and 2 is 8. I'm going to have to go 6 and 2. Oh no, 7. I'm going to have to go 4 and 3. Well, that's not too bad. Not doing too badly. 12. No, I can't do it. 6 and 6 are 12, and I can really only do 10 or 15 there. Okay, 159. Not too bad. You guys can challenge me when you come back. That'll be in-person challenge. No more online. Hooray, hooray. So from the Room 9 team here in Room 9, ka kite te wiki. See you next week. See you on Monday. Can't wait. I don't know. Enjoy the weekend. Stay well, stay classy, Room 9.